Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and take a screenshot on your Snapchat app without them knowing. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the major thing, the first thing we will do is simply gonna go ahead update our app if it's not updated, because simply again when we are curious about some settings, it comes after the update. Afterwards, what we're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead access our Snapchat app. So when you have opened up your Snapchat app, and even if you go to your chat box settings and you have a conversation with a particular person, and if you want to take a screenshot of some messages, text, or some story, because you cannot save it, you want to do it, the person will get notified, and it is for safety reasons, and it works both ways. It benefits both way as well. So let's say you're also communicating with somebody, and let's say this is supposed to be a private conversation, not to offend nobody, it's supposed to be for your privacy purpose, and somebody takes a screenshot and that's gonna affect you one way or another. Then if that option is not available there, then that also keeps your privacy safe to yourself. That's how you can also freely use a Snapchat. Even though it's being a social media platform, you can have your own privacy as well. And the same goes for the another person as well. Even if you want to, what you can do, if there is no screenshot option, is the other thing is that if you want to keep some conversation or some thing that you would like to keep a screenshot of, however way, whatever reason for, because here in Snapchat you don't have that option, you can disable it because it's in the software function, it updated that way. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to y'all, and thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys on our next video.